Is SoManyHits really an amazing way to get free traffic so you can make big money online, or is it a waste of time? My name is Michael and I make a full-time living online, and many have asked me how to get free traffic, because one of the keys to making money online is to get traffic. And one tool that claims that it can really help you with this and grow amazingly fast is SoManyHits. And in this SoManyHits review, I will give you an inside look and show you some very important details, because in theory it can work, but there are also just a lot of untold details that many other people do not share with you, and you really need to consider this to find out if this is the right opportunity for you or not. So let's start by going over the basics of what SoManyHits is, because when you go to the website, you can see they say that it's a better way to automated list building, unstoppable monster traffic, and explosive income. And if you know anything about making money online, then one of the biggest challenges for people that want to earn, for example, through affiliate marketing or selling products or whatever, basically, is to get traffic. And that's what SoManyHits promises. It promises to help you with traffic. It promises you to get help with an email list and build it, because that is also a way to really make a lot of money. And all that seems very great. But the system can be a little bit complicated. So let me log in and then we can talk a little bit more about how it works in practice and if it's really then worth it. So I have now logged into SoManyHits, and it has quite a lot of information, so it can be a little bit overwhelming. But if you decide this is for you, then there is this section where it's called How It All Works, and they have a lot of information about the different options. But overall, what it mainly is a link shortening platform where you can shorten different links you want to promote, share different places, and then when people click those, then they will be sent to an ad, and they will see ads, and then they will also get a chance to sign up for SoManyHits. And if they do sign up, or you can also invite people directly, but no matter how they end up signing up, if it's through a link from you, they become your referrals. But where it then can really scale is that they say that when your referrals then do the same and invite others, the first two of their referrals will be placed in your line, so you will get extra referrals all the time whenever your referrals actually invite others, and the same will they. And that's how it can really explode. And when people also then click those links, then your ads will be shown for the different offers that you choose to promote, for example, affiliate offers or whatever it can be. And supposedly this can really escalate, and when you see the graphs they have, of course it shows that it can really grow, because if that's people are placed under you and others invite, then it can just really explode. And that's what they say can then give you a lot of money. And in addition to that, you will also get access to the email lists or to the emails of the people that join, of your referrals, and then you can send them other promotional offers also. And that is one of the big issues for many marketers. How do I build an email list? How do I get traffic? And they claim that they can do this all automatically and really explode once you just start sharing it. And once you have traffic, if you have good offers to promote, of course you can earn a lot of money online. But does it really work then? Let's talk a little bit more about that. And now I just tried to show you something, and you can see now an ad then pops up. So this is also something, this is these like spammy ads that comes up that can be really annoying, but you have to wait a little bit, and then now I can close it. So you can see, as I said, the key here is to start by shortening links. That can be a link to whatever, a website, an article, it can be an affiliate link, it can be whatever. And this is very similar to regular link shorteners. Here it's just built in, so you get referrals and build a system, build an email list. But there are some other similarities with these link shorteners. I also have a video about these link shorteners. I will leave a link in the top corner so you can check that out. But before we talk about this, like if it's worth it, so we need to see what happens when people create a link like this, or when they click a link like this. So I have created one that's supposed to just take people to Google, just to show you how it works. So I'll just now copy this link and then I'll paste it so you can see what happens when people click it. So I have now pasted it here in a new browser window, and you see then this comes up. I was sharing a link. Let's say you want to share to your own website or a video or an affiliate link or whatever, but then people first go through this. So you see, this is how they then try to get people to sign up. And if you believe in this system, of course that's good, because then you will get more referrals and all this. But you see that yeah, but it really depends, like how many people do you not think would find this really annoying if they expect to go to a video or something like that and then they get something like this. But anyways, then let's try to click to continue, and then you see then a new window just pops up, a new ad. I'm taken to here. Say like, no, later I wanted to go to that link, and then nothing happens. I couldn't really see what I wanted, like supposed to see, and in the background there's another ad that then popped up here. So you see, it's super difficult to actually get to the page. What it mainly does is that it promotes so many hits to get people to sign up, and not actually the page you're going to. Of course, you can say that is what will build your downline. That's all great, but is it worth it, the people you get in there? Because first of all, how many people do you not think will just never trust links from you again if they come to something like this, when they were expecting to go to some kind of article or video or whatever you shared? A lot of people will get really annoyed and you will lose trust. And what really makes you money long-term online is to build trust, because you focus on quality. And here you just spam people to get them to sign up as a referral, so you can get them on your email list and promote other offers to them, or promote offers like this, you see, that will then be shown to some of their referrals. So that's how they claim that you can make money. And as mentioned earlier, theoretically it could work, but it's really not a great long-term way to make money, in my opinion. And let's explain a little bit more about why that is and what you should do instead, in my opinion. So just to make it clear, I do not recommend something like SoManyHits. I can understand why it can seem appealing, because it takes time to build quality traffic, and it takes time to build an online business, and it gives a huge freedom once you have an online income. But so many people are too lazy to actually do the work that's required, and they get attracted to something like SoManyHits and many other shiny objects. But the reality is, if you want long-term success building a real online business, you stop looking for these shortcuts, because if you're looking for shortcuts without effort, usually it will also not give good long-term results, and you will just waste your time. I've seen people wasting years buying shiny objects or using tools that claim that you can earn $500 quickly and per day and all this, and after 2 years they have not seen any results. They've just jumped from one shiny object to another without any results. And at the same time, other people said like, okay, I focus on learning real skills, building a real business from scratch, even if they had no skills whatever when they started. After 2 years, they can see amazing results because they've been realistic and actually put in real effort to build a quality business that is also focused on actually giving people quality help and not just spammy ads, because that's not a way to build a real business. There is a reason that you never see any of the top online marketers use programs like this or platforms like this. It's because it's just not a sustainable way to build a really successful online income. That's my opinion and my experience. I make a living online and have done it for years, and these are my experiences from not only just building a business for myself, but also helping a lot of other people making money online and starting from scratch. So instead, focus on learning real skills to build quality content, to build quality traffic. And I also, if you're interested in that and are serious about it, I do have some more free information about the exact steps that I have taken to do that. I will leave a link below so you can go there and check that out. That's only if you're serious and willing to put in effort. It's not get rich quick or anything like that, because that just does not exist. You will just waste your time if that is what you're going for. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you so you know what to consider and what is realistic when you try to make money online. And if the video did help you, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.